In this video, we're going to show you how you can join the Grand Mobile Discord server. Before we dive into this, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. Now, I'm going to be showing this on a desktop, but the steps are the exact same on a mobile device, so you can follow along no matter what. Now, first things first, once you go ahead and get onto Discord, what you're going to want to go ahead and do is actually find this left side where all of your servers are going to be and scroll all the way down to the bottom until you find this option to add a server. Go ahead and select this, and then it's going to take you to a page that looks like this. Go ahead and select join a server from this tab, and it's going to pull up the page that looks like this. Now, don't worry, you don't need an invite for this. You just need to go ahead and type in the following, GRND, and then hit join server. What this is going to do is immediately load you into a page that looks like this, and you'll automatically begin joining that server. Here you just need to go ahead and start setting up by customizing your language, and after doing so, it'll load you into the server where you'll be able to chat with other people in the community and see all the other channels. Yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. But before you leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.